In this video, we will find integral of tangent of minus 2 times x. Let I be equal to integration of tangent of minus 2 times x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity tangent of minus theta is equal to minus tangent of theta. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to minus integral of tangent of 2 times x. To simplify this integration, let us apply the substitution method. I have assumed 2 times x is equal to u. Taking differential of both sides, we get differentiation of 2 times with respect to x into differential of x is equal to differentiation of u with respect to u into differential of u. As we know, differentiation of 2 times x with respect to x is equal to 2 and differentiation of u with respect to u is equal to 1. So we are left with 2 times differential of x is equal to differential of u. I have taken 2 to the right. So I got differential of x is equal to 1 upon 2 into differential of u. Substituted x in I by our assumed value. Now the integration I has become minus integration of tangent of u upon 2 with respect to u. This is a simple integration. 1 upon 2 is the constant. The antiderivative of tangent of u is minus natural log of absolute value of cosine of u. How to find the antiderivative of tangent has been explained in the video appearing in the upper right corner of this video. The URL of the same video has been given in the description section as well. So I is equal to minus of half times minus natural log of absolute value of cosine of u. As minus of minus is plus, so I is equal to half times natural log of absolute value of cosine of u. We had solved the integration in terms of u. Now we needed to take back the expression in terms of x. For that I have replaced u by 2 times x, which we had assumed earlier, and then added capital C, which is the arbitrary constant of indifferent integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indifferent integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.